Fair Foundation is a 501c3 not-for-profit organization focused purely on benefiting consumers, property owners, and those who want to own property in the state of Florida primarily, but also nationwide. The Fair Foundation's mission is to create stronger, safer, more resilient communities by first empowering and educating consumers, second, promoting wind and flood mitigation, and third, reducing uninsured risk. The insurance industry in Florida post-Hurricane Andrew has improved vastly. There are many more protections that exist now than didn't before. It's a much more diverse insurance industry, and we have the ability to provide a lot more coverage for a lot more people. Flood insurance is one of the biggest concerns, particularly in our coastal state, related to storm damage. Right now there is very inadequate flood insurance coverage for Florida. So many homes in the state of Florida and beyond are not covered. There's sort of an antiquated provision of flood insurance. It is mandated for homes that are in a defined flood zone. If you are not in a flood zone, you're not required to have flood insurance, but that doesn't mean that you are somehow magically protected from the impacts of flood. If a home exists across the street from a mapped flood zone, it doesn't mean that the water stops at the line. It means that they're not required to have flood insurance. We're focusing on providing private flood insurance. Before, during, and after, we want the individual consumers in Florida to be aware of resources that are available and what to do to keep themselves safe. The Fair Foundation website has everything you need to know in terms of what to do prior to a storm. How should you harden your home against wind, flood, and sea level rise, storm surge? What to do during a catastrophe if you find yourself in the path of a hurricane, where to go, where to shelter yourself, your family, your pets, how to evacuate, and then also what to do to repair and recover immediately following the storm.